In this video, I am talking all about Semrush, an amazing SEO tool. With Semrush, you can do SEO, content marketing, competitor research, PPC, and social media marketing from just one platform. So let me jump into the homepage of Semrush and show you what they have to offer. So this is the home screen of Semrush, and here as you can see, this is the competitor research, then keyword research, then we have the link building, then we have the end on page and tech SEO. So in this video I'm going to cover the keyword research and link building tactics here. And what I've done, I have just found few keywords which I'll show you for the demo purpose. So there you go. So I've just entered best golf bag here, and you can see in the United States the volume is around 8k and the global volume is around 10k, and that's a trend here. And also you can find the CPC on the same dashboard here, so that's $0.73. And once I scroll down, that's a keyword variation. So there you can see there are multiple options here: best golf bags, best golf bag to 2021, then we have the questions, then related keywords. So that's the keyword difficulty, so that's 60%. So keyword difficulty is nothing but that's a score from 0 to 100. 100 means very difficult keyword to rank, and 0 means very easy to rank. So I will recommend you find keywords that are like 0 to maybe 30 if you are a new blogger. Okay, so that's the page authority scores, so that are also 0 to 100. So these are all the number of referring domains to the website. So this is the SERP, and these are the number of backlinks. Then we have the source traffic, then we have the URL keywords which are ranking on Google. So after that, just click on keyword magic tool, and here you'll be able to see different keywords you can choose from according to keyword difficulty, volume. There are multiple filter options out here, so you can select the volume here, you can adjust the keyword difficulty. So you can see there are very easy, difficult, hard type of keywords. You can select the keyword difficulty, then we have the intent here. Also you can adjust for the CPC also, then whether you want to include particular keyword while you filter out the keywords, or whether you want to exclude keywords, you can select that. So I'll just choose very easy keyword difficulty. You just have to enter the range here. I'll just select the range and click on it. So there you go, there are the results as you can see. So these are all the results. So that's the volume, then we have the keyword difficulty, so that's easy, and then we have the CPC as you can see. Again the second options, volume, then the keyword difficulty. So there you go, there are like lots of keywords which you can select from and write your article accordingly. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just enter another keyword here. So there you can see there is no much volume for this keyword. So next I'll just search for running shoes. I'll just enter this keyword and click on search. Okay, so that's the result here. As you can see, the volume is pretty much high, but the keyword difficulty is also very high. It's around 80, 78. So that's very hard to rank if you're a new blogger. So it will be very difficult. So what I'll do, I'll just adjust the keyword difficulty from 0 to 40 and I'll click on apply. Okay, so we have got the results. I'll just adjust the volume also. So minimum I want 100 should be the volume, because anything less than that it won't be feasible for us to write an article on that keyword. Okay, so here we get the results. So these are white running shoes. So volume is also very good, and it's possible to rank on this keywords. As you can see, all these are keywords, the volumes, keyword difficulty, along with the CPC also. So now what I'll do is I have a URL. Okay, so in that we are just going to explore the backlinks of this URL and check if we can get similar backlinks to our website as well. So once you enter the URL, so here as you can see, that's the authority score. So that is the authority score. Then we have the referring domains, then that's the backlinks, we have monthly visits, then we have the keywords, number of keywords that are ranking, and that we have the outbound domains. So here as you can see, you'll be able to see the backlinks over the years, how they were generated, and the number of referring domains. As you can see, that has increased gradually. So these are all new and lost referring domains, new and lost referring backlinks, referring domains by authority score. You can check it here. So these are all the backlink types, mostly are text type. And then we have the link attributes, like follow is now mostly 90%. Then we have no follow, sponsored, UGC, user generated content. Then we have the distribution and everything. So I'll just click on referring domains, and let's check like what all domains are referring to these websites. So if we can generate similar type of content, so we can reach out to such domains and get backlinks to our website. So as you can see, I have filtered it out from high authority score website to low. So as you can see here, so that's a link that is pointing to this website. So this is a Wikipedia article. Okay, so that's a Pinterest, as you can see. So there are a number of articles which are pointing to the website. So these are all the pins which are pointing to the website. So in the similar way, you can find the backlink analysis of any website. So as you can see, there are a number of backlinks. You can get in detail backlink analysis from Semrush. And also we have the competitor here. As you can see, this is all the domain competitors according to the score, number of backlinks, number of referring domains. So there you go guys, Semrush is a really awesome tool for SEO, content marketing, competitor research, PPC and social media marketing from just one platform. And I will seriously recommend it to anybody who wants the all-in-one SEO tool. So if you are interested in Semrush, check the link in the description below. So that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.